we are in Zagreb, in Marriage Passage, and I'm checking out this lift, which looks very dirty and vandalized. And I've been to this lift already, so I know it's vandalized. So you'll see now what I'm talking about. There we go. Coming in a very loud fashion. This lift is a legend of Zagreb. Everyone knows this lift. Let's ride it. Very bad leveling, as you can see. Oh man. I'm so going to get stuck right now. It's a 60s lift. Oh no. There we go. 2, 3, we go. Now it starts. The journey begins, and I'm getting stuck. Alright, so it's all authentic, but damn, that's loud, isn't it? Oh, here we are on floor 3 out of 3. The leveling is a little bit off. And there we go. As you can see, it looks to me like this lift has replaced some older lift. It probably has, but it's now old himself. Very cool, actually. Alright, let's go down. Don't want to die here. Look at the shaft. Oh, nice. Alright, down we go. Look at the light up here, it's all destroyed. Look at me, oh, wow, that's loud.